Hello guys, I Siddiq. Welcome to my YouTube channel Jubin Masfan. Here you seen the famous description of current affairs. No tricks, no clickbait, only talk. Like my video and subscribe my channel as you like. Bruce Lee, born November 27, 1940, was a Hong Kong American actor, director, martial artist, martial arts instructor, and philosopher. He was the founder of Jeet Kune Do, a hybrid martial arts philosophy drawing from different combat disciplines that is often credited with paving the way for modern mixed martial arts. Lee is considered by commentators, critics, media, and other martial artists to be the most influential martial artist of all time and a pop cultural icon of the 20th century who bridged the gap between East and West. He is credited with helping to change the way Asians were presenting in American films. The son of Cantonese opera star Lee Hoi Shun, Lee was born in the Chinatown area of San Francisco on November 27, 1940, to parents from Hong Kong, and was raised with his family in Kowloon, Hong Kong. He was introduced to the film industry by his father and appeared in several films as a child actor. His early martial arts experience included Wing Chun, Tai Chi, boxing, and street fighting. Frequently participated in Hong Kong rooftop fights. Lee moved to the United States at the age of 18 to receive his higher education at the University of Washington in Seattle. It was during this time that he began teaching martial arts, later drawing significant attention at the 1964 Long Beach International Karate Championship. In the 1970s. His Hong Kong and Hollywood produced film elevated this traditional martial arts film to a new level of popularity and acclaim, sparking a surge of interest in the Chinese nation and Chinese martial art in the West. The direction and tone of his film dramatically influenced and changed martial art and martial arts films worldwide. He is noted for his role in 5 feature-length martial arts films in the early 1970s. Lo Wei's The Big Boss 1971 and Fast of Fury 1972, Golden Harvest Way of the Dragon 1972, directed and written by Lee, and Golden Harvest and Warner Brothers Enter the Dragon 1973, and Game of Death 1978, both directed by Robert Clouse. Lee became an iconic figure known throughout the world, particularly among the Chinese, based upon his portrayal of Chinese nationalism in his film, and among Asian Americans for defying stereotypes associated with the emasculated Asian male. Having intellectually learned Wing Chun, Tai Chi, boxing, and street fighting, he combined them with other influences from various sources into the spirit of his personal martial arts philosophy, which he dubbed Jeet Kune Do, the way of the intercepting fast. Lee had residence in Hong Kong and settled. Lee died on July 20, 1973 at the age of 32. Lee has continued to be a permanent influence on modern combat sports, including judo, karate, mixed martial arts, and boxing, as well as modern popular culture, including film, television, comic, animation, and video game. Time named Lee one of the 100 most important people of the 20th century. Thanks.